today's video, I'm going to show you how to fully optimize your Logitech G Pro for zero delay. But with that said, let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is just download Logitech G Hub. So right here, G Hub, and then download G Hub. And then once you're in here, you just want to go to the top right and click on this gear icon and make sure launch app on login is unchecked. And then automatically disable lighting, you can turn this on. Game lighting control, uncheck this. And then scroll down and make sure system notifications and recommendations are both turned off. And then persistent profile, put this to none. Then go to updates on the left and uncheck enable automatic updates. Then go to analytics and make sure both of these are unchecked. This is useless telemetry. And then click on devices in the top left and click on your G Pro. I'm on a G Pro Wireless, but this will work for any Logitech Superlight, anything like that. All you want to do is go to light sync and turn off your RGB because this is going to give you more delay. Then go to sensitivity and you want to make sure you're using at least 800 DPI. And if you're on 800 DPI, I recommend switching up to 1600 because the higher the DPI, the less delay you're going to have, but you only really notice it once you hit like 800 to 1600. Like 200 DPI versus 1600 is a big difference in smoothness because it's more dots per inch. And all you want to do is just double it or quadruple it depending on what you do. And you want to use that same multiplier on your sensitivity in game, just the opposite way. So you just want to divide it. So if I'm on 400 DPI at 5% and I double it to 800 DPI, then I'll switch to 2.5% in game. And then your report rate down here, for most of you, I would just keep it on 1000. If you have a high-end PC, you can try out 2000 or 4000, but you may get micro stutters or worse FPS in game. And then the next thing we're going to do is optimize the actual registry of our mice in Windows. And how you can do that is join my Discord and go to the mouse panel channel and then download this Go file link right here. Click on this gray download button and then it's going to give you this file right here. All you want to do is right click on it, click run as administrator, and it's going to create a system restore point and download the needed dependencies. And then the first thing we're going to do is disable mouse acceleration. So type in 1 and hit enter. Pointer options at the top. And make sure enhanced pointer precision is unchecked. Then click on OK and you can click any key. Then type in 2 and hit enter. This is going to do some power saving tweaks. Then click any key. Then type in 3 and hit enter. This is mouse data queue size. And you would just want to make sure that you're set to the right URL in registry editor up here. So it should be under mouse class in parameters. And then right here, you're going to see this new registry file right here, mouse data queue size. Double click on this and inside of here, make sure this is set to hexadecimal. And then this number right here, the value data, is what's important. Over here, it's going to give you a couple ranges depending on how good your PC is. I have a high-end PC, so I'm going to do 14 over here. And if you're confused on which range best fits you, comment down below your CPU and GPU and I'll tell you what to put in there. But basically, you just want to start with a lower number. For example, if you're on a low-end PC, start with 20. And then if you're getting micro stutters, go up to 21 and keep testing it until you don't get micro stutters, and then you're good. So hit OK and you can close out of both of these and then click any key in here. Then type in 4 and hit enter for my free power plan. And if you don't see it, click on show additional plans and then right here will be your Risxn free power plan. You'll only have one. I have a couple, but you know, we don't talk about that. But I'm gonna stick on my premium power plan right here. Then you can close out of that and click any key. And then once that's done, you can restart your PC to see the changes take effect. If this video helped you out and you want your entire PC optimized for gaming, check out risxntweaks.com for the best computer optimization service on the market. We have over 9,000 positive reviews, so I highly recommend you check us out. But with that said, I hope you all have an amazing day.